Good morning, folks. This is Naveen. I'm from Mangalore, and this is NIT Suratkal stall. We are from a coastal town in Karnataka, and we have the sea on one end, we have the forest on the other hand. We are an institute of eminence, and we usually get all the problems that happens around us. We usually get a first approach basis, telling what can we do to solve the problem. So usually there was a scenario wherein 5 elephants had escaped their enclosure, and the forest department needed our assistance in finding the elephants. So we had thermal cameras and we were happy to assist them. We went on the field around 3 a.m. in the morning. We were successful in finding the elephants. It made the local news, and we also have some photos of it. And then what happens was the other departments, they're like, sir, what can NITK do for us? We have a forest fire problem going on, and then we need surveillance to tell us how fast the fire is spreading. How can you help us? Now what we started realizing while doing all this is it's not just about our technical capability to solve a problem, it's also about how quickly we can give a response to all these problems around us. So with that in mind, we started doing a lot of work towards first responding. So first responders, as people call all the firefighters, we wanted to do something towards responding to a disaster first. So we put everything that we had, all our technology that we had bathymetric surveys that we used to do. We used to do aerial surveys, we used to do lidar surveys. We used to have a ham communication hub. So ham communication is amateur radio when all sort of communication fails during a disaster. So the international protocol is to shift to ham frequencies because that rarely fails. And then we also have autonomous systems wherein drones come, charge themselves and go back out and collect data set, and then we assist these data sets. So why not assist the Coast Guard, assist the Indian Navy, assist the Forest Department, assist all other critical institutes around India in being the first responders to any search and rescue operation or a disaster. With this in mind, we created a container-based concept wherein we have right now 3 containers. One as a retiring room where you have washroom facilities, a bed and a kitchen facility. One as a dry dock where we can store all our technologies and repair them or do any small modification. And a central communication hub wherein we have all the monitors and the ham communication happens with this. Now the scalability factor we are looking at is to combine this into one big shipping container and send it across the places, make it portable. You want to put this on a flatbed, take it to the island, you can take it. If you want to take it to the forest, you can take it. So this is the concept of search, and we have named it System for Emergency Assistance, Response and Communication. That's all.